Okay, it's Monday morning at our house. It's a little bit wild here. The house is kind of a mess, and we had a great weekend. But I had a good breakfast, and now I really want some chocolate. So I just wanted to show you this snack that I make. Here we go. So half a banana, organic banana, and this is just almond meal. This is almonds just ground up. I get almond meal, but you can grind it up in a blender or whatever you can do. And this is just unsweetened ground up coconut, like these are macarons. And then this is cacao powder. These are about big tablespoons. And here's just the cacao powder we use. It's good, especially for raw. It's just got great they already talked to you about chocolate being really great. Well, this is kind of the best way to get it because you're not having the extra sugar and extra dairy. So I need a fork. I don't know if this is a clean. I think this is a clean fork. So what I do is I basically just mash, mix it up, and mix up the powder. Mix this all up together, and then you just basically mash the banana into it so it's a good consistency for you. So you mash away. And then it just really tastes really good. It's really satisfying. So the chocolate gets sweetened by the banana, and then you just get a little bit of extra fiber and some good fats from the coconut and the from the almonds. So you can mess around with it, but there's a lot of good recipes out there for raw treats and things with like truffles and everything you can make. So just start looking up raw truffles, cacao recipes, and you'll find a lot of good stuff. So I mash it up, then I just eat it, and it's really great, especially before going like on a bike ride or some good cardio. Well, I don't know, for some people, but for me it's good if I go for a long walk or a long bike ride. Have a great day. Find some great, oh yeah, here's my tea from London, which I will have more of after TR90 is done, but that is from Marion in London, and that's what I need to do on Monday morning is keep calm and carry on. Bye.